by the central office.
Okay? And of course, perhaps ang support motor, no? Ang suporta mo and our local media men, yung suporta nyo sa ating NFOT will be help a lot, no? Sa success ng ating...
Dagdagan ko lang yung sinabi ni Sir Adong, no? Aside from the hotel or billeting, the accessibility, the transportation, the food, of course, kaya siyempre interesado sila. We are the seafood capital of the Philippines. We also have the facility. All our facilities are ready to host the different competitions and also the safety and security. Kaya isa yan sa mga gina-factor in nila. Kaya kung hindi safe ang ilang mga participants and delegates, hindi man na sila. So, plus, of course, the promotion. So, plus, with the help of our tri-media, hambal ni Sir Alex, dako gid nga bagay. So, sana sa Tor, yung napakahirap mong tanong, nasagot namin, walang labis, walang kulang.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Lola Ami of Palabra de Honor. I would like to address my questions to DepEd representatives, any one of you. Do we have prizes at stakes and what are those, ma'am, sirs?
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Regarding with the prices, it is also in the DepEd memorandum, the guidelines instated about the prices in awards. So for our events, we have the medals for our first medals and certificate of recognition for the champion per event na siya. We have for this first runner-up, second runner-up, and the rest is the third and the fourth. They will be receiving only the certificate of participation. And we have also the overall champion who will be receiving the overall champion, the trophies. So we have overall champion, we have the first runner-up, and the second runner-up. We have also the special awards for the regions, 3 special awards na siya for the regions. So that is a surprise award man, no, for the conduct of 2026 National Festival of Talents.
Ma'am Ann, I think the medals and the trophies are just secondary. Ang pinaka-importante is the national pride, the prestige and the honor that you will be giving your region. And on the part of DepEd, because of budgetary constraints, because of austerity measures, wala po tayong cash prize. Pero depende na yan sa mga local government units, just like what we're doing with sports. So kung national champion sila sa palaro, so they give cash incentive, maybe our very good mayor will be gracious enough to give us the cash prize kung mananalo ang Rojas City. So on the part of DepEd, trophies, medals, but I would like to highlight that it's the pride and honor that they give to their respective regions, especially that they are the best in the whole country.
Magandang hapon sa taga-DepEd, sa mga city councilors natin, at higit sa lahat kay Mayor Ronnie. Mayor, yung katanungan ko, i-address ko lang sa iyo. Natural, the first time nga nag-host kita ng ganitong event, yung actually crisis ngayon sa gasolina, may provide ba ang city government ng mga sasakyan para sa mga delegates natin? At kung wala, pinatawag ba natin yung mga tuda natin? Kasi baka mag-controversial na naman tayo pag dating sa singilan. Kung may mga sasakyan ba ang mga delegates natin, may mag-guide ba sa kanila kung saan yung pupunta sila?
Sa aming pagpulong-pulong na nakaraan, isa yan sa mga importanteng pinag-usapan namin, yung transportation. Dahil po ito kailangan na accessibility at masundo at pahatid sila sa venue site nila. So, meron tayong na-assign, yung DepEd natin naka-assign sa bawat billeting schools, may naka-assign na 2 sasakyan. Hindi naman kalakihan ng series, pero malaking maka-accommodate sa kanila, no? Meron tayong mga tricycles. Nagpatawag tayo ng meeting sa mga TODAs na kung sakali, andyan naman at inaasahan natin na hindi sila sisingil ng mataas o mag-overprice. And then meron naman tayong mga available na Grab and taxis na sinulatan natin na mag-augment sila like Grab and Southwest na taxis na kung saan sila po dito dadagdagan nila para at least po pag kailangan sila merong transportasyon na pwedeng sasakyan. But rest assured, the transportation will not be a problem. But looking forward na wala lang yung issue na mataas na singil. Alam niyo naman, kakatatapos na natin bigay ng cash assistance o fuel subsidy sa mga tricycle, siguro pinaalala naman natin sa kanila na hindi nila gagawin sa mga bisita natin. Kasi may reflection yan sa atin. Kung hindi maganda ang eksperyensya ng pasahero, kasama tayo dyan. So tulungan niyo po kami para at least hindi po mag-overprice. But rest assured, the transportation will not be an issue.
Okay. Thank you, Mayor.
Okay?
Sir, in addition to that, dagdagan ko lang yung impormasyon na ibinigay ni Mayor sa inyo. With the amount of money that is being, out of the 9 million pesos being downloaded to SDO Rojas City, a part of that, nagpo-procure din kami ng 36 na sasakyan para sa ating mga delegates. So we have vans and jeepneys assigned, one van and one jeepney for every delegation so that wherever they will go, yun ang kanilang sasakyan. So natutuwa din kami, ikinagagalak namin na ang central office nagda-download ng pera, at least hindi man masyadong masakit dito sa atin bilang host. Siyempre, hindi naman easy na mag-host tayo, pero at least nakakatulong talaga yung ibinigay nila na pera kasi yung ating expenses dito sa Rojas City, medyo hindi na masyadong malaki. So yun. Thank you.
Sir, dagdag lang po. Dagdag lang na mayroon na kasing mga region na nag-coordinate na sa ating mga billeting areas kung saan pinamumunuan ng mga school heads natin. Naka-coordinate sila tungkol sa mga sasakyan. No? Lalo na yung mga doon sa airport, yung kung maari silang sunduin doon sa airport. Ang mga sasakyan natin na nasabi na nga ni Sir Sam, no, at ni Mayor na doon naka-standby sa ating mga billeting area ay sila ring susundo doon sa airport, sa ating Rojas City Airport, sa mga delegates natin. Ang kailangan lang nila, kung sila ngayon ay nanonood sa atin, ay mag-coordinate lang doon sa ating mga school heads, sa mga region, sa mga billeting areas kung saan naka-assign ang kanilang region. Maari rin silang sunduin doon sa Ceres Terminal, no? Para at least alam nila, sigurado din na yung susundo sa kanila ay doon din nakaschedule o naka-assign sa kanilang billeting area. Ayun din ang susundo at hahatid at susundo sa kanila sa mga contest area.
In additional, we have also the dispatcher system in each of the billeting schools. Meron po naka-assign na technical working group to facilitate the dispatching system. We do understand na yung mga vans, we allocated 2 vehicles per region. Yan lang po ang gagamitin for tama yung sinabi ni Ma'am Marvic, from billeting school to contest venues. Pero what if yung ating mga delegates is after po ng competition, gusto po nilang mag-enjoy or mag-explore sa Rojas City? So, ang ginawa po naming system is we have this dispatcher system, no? So, mayroon tayong committee dyan. and it is chaired by our transportation chairperson, at the same time yung ating school heads, na magkakaroon po tayo ng sistema, parang maliit lang po na papel kung saan ilalagay yung number ng tricycle at yung operator. So meron po yung copy si school or the dispatcher person sa school na naka-assign, and then ang isa po ay ibibigay sa pasahero. And we also provided, I think, the tarpaulin for our tricycle ba. Okay, so doon na po mangyayari yung kung saan ang agam-agam natin is what if magkaroon ng ang mataas na singil ba sa ating mga delegates. So isa po yan sa mga ginawa ng ating technical working group at also the management team.
May mga dagdag pang mga... Uncle Dave?
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Uncle Dave from Copies Content Creator Incorporated. Ang question ko po, hindi man lingid sa ating kaalaman lahat na once na i-cover or sa social media ang events, ang bilis ng pag-trending, ang bilis pag-usapan. So ang tanong ko ay ganito, pwede bang mag-cover yung mga ibang vloggers or content creators sa event na to at kung ano talaga ang official hashtags?
Sige, for the official hashtag, we will coordinate first with the central office because after all, this is a national activity. But for the covering of the events, we have actually designated LRP corners. LRP stands for Learner Rights Protection. So, coordinate lang tayo sa Learner Rights Protection because these are learners, these are minors, and we have the child protection policy of DepEd. So, it's just seek permission from the LRP desk because we will be having an LRP desk in every contest venue. So, coordinate lang, and then once you have sought the permission, so you can cover basta within the limits of the child protection policy of DepEd.
Wala na? Okay na? And yung sa concern regarding sa water and sanitation, from Ma'am Resente, may dagdag ka about this, ma'am?
Additional input lang doon sa sinabi ni Superintendent. Good afternoon pala sa lahat. Ang ating billeting schools, mayroong i-establish na LRP, Learners' Rights Protection Desk. Kasama na doon ang DRRM, at saka yung ating public information, at saka ang ating medical. Makikita sila sa conspicuous place ng bawat billeting areas. So kung may concern kayo, whether na kung pwede yung mga content creator natin, mga vloggers, na mag-cover, so kindly na lang coordinate with LRP desk personnel kasi sila ang may alam kung ang specific na event or specific scenario pwede nyong i-cover. Kasi meron tayong DepEd order na nagsasabi kung kailan pwede i-cover ang isang specific event o hindi. So sila ang may alam. Mayroon tayong mga RGCs, mga registered guidance counselor na kasama nila na magbigay sa inyo ng hudyat o kaya advice kung pwede kayo i-cover. Pwede nyo i-cover yung specific na gaganapin sa ating mga contest venues at saka doon sa ating billeting areas as well. Thank you.
Okay. So, okay na. Clear na ang lahat. Wala nang mga tanong from our local media men. And to end our press conference, we would like to request again Sir Mosquera for a final statement, parting statement, and of course to be followed by Mayor Ronnie Dadivas.
So on behalf of the Department of Education, DepEd Rojas City and DepEd Region 6, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of you for the support, and sana you will help us in the dissemination of the information that we're actually hosting a national event, and hopefully to all our viewers, the city of Rojas, the people of the city of Rojas and the people of Capiz, we will show our best kind of hospitality, our graciousness, and let's welcome our visitors with an open heart na after the conduct of the NFOT, yung goal po natin sa not only in DepEd but in the entire Rojas City and Capiz na babalik yung mga bisita natin because they enjoyed and they will keep coming back to Rojas City. And to all our media partners, thank you for helping us and for sharing the good news in DepEd and the entire city government of Rojas.
So, on behalf of the city government of Rojas, the city officials, and the people of Rojas City, I would like to extend my gratitude to DepEd National for choosing Rojas City as the venue for the National Festival of Talents. And we are truly honored and excited to host the Festival of Talents. Most especially, this is an opportunity for us to showcase also not only the learners' talents but also our plays. And we do hope na kayo po'y mag-enjoy. Hindi lang po puro trabaho o puro competition. May halong kasiyahan po ito. At may experience rin po kayo sa aming seafood, being the seafood capital of the Philippines. At aasahan niyo po na ang suporta ng lokal na gobyerno andyan sa DepEd natin, DepEd Rojas City at sa DepEd National. At maraming salamat po sa ating mga kasamahan sa media, content creators and bloggers, at sa lahat-lahat na magiging kasapi sa ating preparation. At meron po tayong Mayor's Night. No? Before I forget, may Mayor's Night tayo na i-host natin sa ating mga special na mga panauhin. At sila po ang ating bigyan ng special na pagkain at presentation. May mga more surprises na ibibigay tayo para at least masasabi nila hindi talaga nila makakalimutan ang Rojas City. Talagang lumilipad. Talagang waswas pag nag-host yung Rojas City. So sa mga kasamahan ko po, para makapagpasalamat rin po, andito po sila. Bigyan po natin ng konting oras na sila po magpasalamat. Maanyayahan natin. I would like to take this opportunity to invite all the people of Rojas City to watch para masayahan kayo, lalong-lalo na ang ating mga competitors na galing dito na manood po sila. Para at least kung manood po sila, makikita nila po yung competition proper. So, nandito po yung mga kasamahan ko. Bigyan ko pa sila ng oras para iayain yung ating mga bisita.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat ng mga nanonood from all over the Philippines. And buong suporta po kami ng mga kasama kong sa konseho sa in the preparation and the actual celebration of the National Festival of Talents. And isang honor para sa City of Rojas to host this, especially under Mayor Ronnie, because one of the priorities is really to education, no? To uphold, no, education. And we are happy, no, that we are part of this gathering, no? And we hope, no, nga sa pamamagitan nito, no, magiging maganda din ang experience, no, ng bawat participants, no. And sana, no, hindi lang sila babalik para doon, no, hindi lang sila pupunta para doon, pero babalik sila dahil maganda yung naging experience nila dito sa Rojas City. So yun yung dapat nyong i-expect, no. Sabi nga ni Mayor, lilipad ang mga taga Rojas City, no, para mag-welcome sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat.
Hello and good afternoon. Actually, I have very little left to add kung nung sinabi ni Mayor at ni Doc Pip. In addition, I'd just like to say thank you also because this is a great opportunity for Rojas City and for the students, no, to showcase Rojas City at mapakita sa kanila, no, kung ano talaga kaganda yung Rojas City. At the same time, in the spirit of competition, they get to showcase their knowledge and talents. So this is a great opportunity for everyone. So thank you.
Yes, good afternoon everyone. Sa DepEd po, maraming salamat po for choosing Rojas City to host an FOT. And of course, dito po sa local, maraming salamat po sa ating mga taga DepEd, no, for making this possible also. Napakagaan po kayong katrabaho. Of course, sa ating pinakamamahal na mayor po, maraming salamat din for the support. Always po ninyo naaasahan na ang suporta ng council ay nasa inyo po whenever na kailangan po ninyo. And of course, we would like also to say thank you po sa mga regions na magjo-join, na pinayagan nyo po ang inyong mga talented na mga participants. And of course, sana po, we are expecting also na pumunta kayo dito, hindi lang po dahil sa event, kundi gusto nyo rin po kaming maging kaibigan. Maraming salamat po ulit and God bless.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat, no? Isang malaking karangalan po ito sa Rojas City na dito iganap yung ganitong klaseng activities, no? So sa taga Rojas City, ipakita natin yung magandang ugali, yung magandang pagtrato natin sa mga bisita natin para may balita nila sa entire Philippines na tayo ay na tayo ay magaling makisama. Salamat po.
Good afternoon everybody. Kami po sa LGU nanawagan sa buong Rojas City na magtulong-tulong tayo. Kasama na yung mga media natin, magtulong-tulong tayo na i-promote ang event na ito na gaganapin sa Rojas City kasi lahat tayo dito involved. Kahiya-hiya naman kung hindi natin magampanan yung magandang asal dito sa mga bisita natin. So sa ating mga media, sana maparating natin sa buong mundo na ang Rojas City handang-handa na sa darating na event na ito. So sa lahat, magandang hapon po.
Okay, so well said. Thank you very much. And that concludes our press conference for this afternoon. Thank you again to our speakers from the Department of Education, from the Rojas City Government, Mayor Ronnie and the rest of the councilors, members of the media, and thank you also sa Rojas Citycom Group and Philvision Alto, no? Philvision Incorporated for the live coverage, and everyone who joined us in this activity. Have a great afternoon and kita-kits sa National Festival of Talents. Pa-picture? Ma-request kita pa-picture sa upod sa mga panelist.
Sir, before siguro the photo opportunity,
Kilahok na sa buhay. Sa pista ng kausayan, umaapaw ang kagalingan. Ningning mong taglay, sining ng buhay. Dali na, magkalibay kita, kulay at liwanag, isabog na, husay at kakayahan, ipakita sa tanan. Tara na, makisining kita. Tumalon, tumalon! Dihon, tahom!
Magkiay-kiay!
Sa Roa City! Sa Region 6! Dali na, magkalibay kita, kulay at liwanag, isabong na, husay at kakayahan, ipakita sa tanan. Tara na, makisining kita. Dali na, magkasadya kita. Sa rehiyon sa Sa Roa City, ang Festival of Lights.